I could watch this Instagram recipe over and over again. And I love the music. It's really cool. Chefs, it's Chef Marty from FoodCostChef.com. Today we're costing a viral recipe, this Cajun chicken pasta. I mean, come on, looks amazing. We'll run it through the FoodCostChef Calculator and see if we can make some money on it. I like the look of this chicken, so let's start there. We'll make a separate recipe just for that. New recipe, Cajun chicken breast, a la carte. Adding our items, chicken breast, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder. For the Cajun seasoning, I opted to use this Rose Hill product from Costco Business instead of using my own blend. Sometimes I'll do that, especially if I really like the product. Of course, I'm going to use this in other menu items too. I can use it like as a fry seasoning or season up some rice in a side dish for another menu item. Adding paprika, cayenne pepper, got a bit of heat there, and salt. All right, this comes down to $2.15 per portion, and now I have a tasty chicken breast costed out that I can add to other recipes or use it as an upsell on something like an Alfredo or a Caesar salad. It's already in your system, so use it. Okay, we'll link this recipe to the original Instagram post. Now all the cooks know where to find it and what the finished product should look like. Let's do the same thing for the pasta side dish here now. Rigatoni, 35% cream, butter, diced onion, red pepper, garlic, tomato paste, and spinach. Wait, spinach is not in the drop-down. I never added it to my ingredients list. Classic. This happens all the time. I think I have the ingredient, but I really don't. However, I don't have to leave my recipe. I'll just press enter, and the add recipe form, it just pops up right over my recipe. Let me fill this out now. This is really convenient when you need a single recipe costed out immediately. Costco product, done. Back to my recipe, and look, it's sitting right there. Okay, finishing up, Parmesan, mozzarella, more seasonings. 4 servings, that's 28% food cost, totally in line. Let's combine it with the chicken though to get our full plate cost. New plate, Cajun chicken pasta, blank sheet. Let's build it. 1 serving Cajun chicken, 1 serving Cajun pasta. For garnish, I'm adding Parmesan, a little fresh parsley. Okay, load it, done. Final plate cost $4.34. Now, at an $18 menu price, it's good. At $22 menu price, that's 19% food cost. So for the menu item analysis decision, absolutely. These numbers are great. Might not be a pasta everyone orders, but you probably have all of these ingredients in inventory already. And an experienced saute cook on the line, I mean, they're just going to rock this. There you go, chefs. Try it out. You can also download the costed out recipe at FoodCostChef.com, Cajun chicken pasta. Chefs, I'll see you next time. Remember, it's only good food if the math works. Cajun chicken pasta, yeah, I think that'll work.